This is N2LEM with another quick video clip. This is the Icom 7700. This is the front panel, the display. That's the display board. Right now, you can see all the knobs, the VFO. Basically what we did was, this was completely disassembled, all the push buttons were removed, all the push button assemblies were removed. Let me spin it around so you can see as I'm putting it back together. This is something that you want to do if you're noticing that you have push buttons that are becoming sluggish and stuff. There are multiple gang assemblies of switches. They're all plastic, ABS plastic. You want to be very careful when you take it apart, and then you could literally, once you get it all apart, all these boards actually are the push button boards. The 10 key board over here, and then you remove the actual switch assemblies, which, like I said, are ABS plastic. The push button assemblies on the bottom are mounted on a brass bracket. Also, you know, when you take the sub-assembly apart, you're going to gently remove all of the ribbon cables off of the display board. But one thing that is very important, when you unscrew them and you screw them, you're going to see the numbers 1, and then you have 2. When you put the screws in 3, you want to put them in the correct proper order and tighten them that way. Every board has the screw positions, as you could see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. And you want to tighten them down that way. When you tighten them, you don't want to over tighten them, just tighten them down till they're snug. But like I said, especially, you know, you would do this as a preventative maintenance if you want to clean the switch panels, the switch assemblies, if they get kicked up with dust from years of use and stuff. Isopropyl alcohol. When you get the panel completely taken apart, you could bring it up to a sink and you could use regular soap water and a toothbrush to clean it, do the back. You could do the same, soak the switch assemblies, the plastic assemblies, in lukewarm water and soap, and then you can go through them with isopropyl alcohol, and as you could see, tons and tons of Q-tips to clean. When you're done and you put it back together, the assemblies just fall right into place. You wanna, when you're done, you should have a nice click. These pop up. After you reinstall the boards, and that's how you test every switch for its functionality. I also use isopropyl alcohol around every micro switch. You can clean the PC boards with it. The reason why this particular unit is disassembled, this is a donor radio that I purchased, and it was in a fire. It wasn't in a fire, it was in a room or a house where the fire was in, and it received a tremendous amount of smoke damage, as you could see on this board. And this was completely black, soot on, and we're going through it and we're cleaning it. And that's basically it. And this is the same type of maintenance that you do when you want to take apart the front panel to get down to the switch gang assemblies, so you can clean them from dust buildup, any type of gunk, if you get liquid that fell into the front panel. And this is how you can clean your assemblies. This is N2LEN saying best 7-3.